guys can see, we've been stopping along the way, but how could we not?
It's been an amazing experience. I love road tripping. I think this is our new thing, road tripping.
I'm down, I'm not driving. I'm having a great time. So we have finally made it to our destination. I'm so excited to finally show you where we are. We are in the middle of the forest. We drove.
In the forest, enjoying ourselves.
No Wi-Fi, no service.
Nobody to interrupt us.
Bonding.
Bonding, yeah, we
Bonding, you know. So here we are. I'm gonna go ahead and show you a room tour, but we are so excited to be at the Getaway Houses. We are so appreciative and grateful to them for giving us this opportunity to see something that we genuinely probably never would have coming from Miami, you know. So come along with us, and we're gonna do a lot of fun activities, and it's just gonna be a great time.
What's up, everybody? If you're watching this right now, you know this is my fiance's channel. I definitely want to surprise her today. We just made it to the cabin, as you can see, and I want to surprise her with something special. Check it out. We are walking to the hiking trail. I feel like I'm hiking already.
So we found the walking path after walking in the wrong way, just for a little bit, not too long. We also met people, so that's cool. We're not here like all the way by ourselves. Have you ever done anything like this, babe?
Me? No.
Yeah. This is kind of crazy.
This? No.
This is really kind of crazy. Actually, now I understand why they walk with a stick. This is crazy. The terrain. Whew. You always have two choices in life, but this is just gonna be harder. So here we go. There's no way it's that much better. Let me try. Here.
Of course, when you're going up, you like... Oh.